This is not the first time. Even 2 months back, I had gone there and I met a team of SEBI with one of the executive director. But yes, today another person was there. Actually, we had already submitted our affidavit of our assets. So the one question was there that, do you want to add anything to this affidavit? I said no. Then said that, have you brought the original those documents of your property, etc. I said, you can see that my immovable property is nil, so I don't have anything of that sort. Then they asked me a question that, you want to say something? I'm okay, yes, I want to say something. I said, my grave concern is that you are not taking any initiative to plan and make repayments to the remaining investors. I said, you are going for everything against us to get more money, etc., etc. But parallelly, we request you, please take initiative that repayment may start. Repayment may start of that for which we have paid you 5,000 crores of rupees. And verification has also not started. And unless verification is started, then how can you satisfy the concern of Honorable Supreme Court, whether it's fictitious account or not? So, and after that only we can get refund from you out of 5,000 crores.
So, but if you could ask you, SEBI has said to the Supreme Court that the letters that they sent, hardly 1% people accepted, and majority of the letters came back. So, on that, what is the way going forward in this sort of situation?
Is amusing that anybody and everybody should understand they are small investors. They have already got the repayment before 31st August, before the judgment came. Why should they reply? Why should they spend 5 rupees or 2 rupees or 10 rupees? Why should they reply? They are the investors of 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 rupees. And they don't want to come into these hassles. And why should they reply? They have got the repayment. That's the reason they have not repaid. But we are repeatedly requesting SEBI, please give the list, let us see, let us contact, and it is as per the Honorable Supreme Court direction that if there is anything of that sort, you should contact Sahara first. And they are not contacting us. They are not giving us the list. It is all creation of problem for us, that's all. It is all tricky things they are doing.
So the other aspect that everyone wants to know is, you have claimed that you have deposited 5,120 crores with SEBI, which would take care of the whole of the repayment, and rather you should be refunded back whatever is left over. But the question again comes, what happens to the 20,000 crores which SEBI says that you are going to deposit with them in January and February of this year?
The point is, the judgment came on 31st August 2012. All remaining repayments were made before that. Where from we can get the money out of it then? Either we have to go to the investors and say, pay back. What can happen under the circumstances? One has to understand. The payment is not paid after the judgment. So all repayments were done before that.
So you are saying that you are already refunded close to 20,000 crores plus?
Yes. Rather, we are not to repay 5,000 also. It is excess amount. It is much less than, should be much less than that. And all remaining payments have been made before the judgment came.
So quickly, if I could ask you, what is the way forward in this? SEBI also has filed a couple of contempt petitions in the Supreme Court.
They want to arrest me also. They want to take my passport also. But please convey SEBI, even they want to send me out of India, I will not go.
So having said that, today also there were other directors of the two companies who were present. Now, have they submitted the requisite requirement of what SEBI were asking for, of their personal details?
Yes, all details they have sent, all income tax returns, everything they have submitted. Everything they have submitted.
So finally, if I could ask you, the general feeling is that maybe your concerns are right, what you are saying is right, but the open battle that we are seeing between Sahara Group and market regulator, at the end of the day, it's the institution, it's the regulator, constitutionally appointed regulator. Is there still a way that Sahara can sit across the table and sort out things with SEBI?
As a responsible citizen, believe me, even I am not happy about it, a regulator of that stature. and we are coming out with such words and such sentences, etc. Even as a citizen, I'm not happy about it. But we are pushed to the wall. We have to. Now, the solution can take place in 24 hours, not more than that. I have sent this request to SEBI. I have sent this request to government. You have to understand the truth of the situation. SEBI and Sahara together should go to Supreme Court and should present that this is the situation, give us so much time, because everything is in the interest of the investors. So if everything is in the interest of the investors, let us talk, think, work for investors first. Let us go to them. I am repeatedly asking them, come out with a newspaper ad throughout the country at our cost, in all the newspapers, that anybody has to repay any payment, please apply. Please send the demand. It simplifies the whole problem. Think of it. If you have money with us, if that notice comes out, will you keep mum? No. You will definitely send your demand. So nothing is being done. These things can be solved in such a simple manner, but the point is, out of whatever, they don't want it.
So finally, my last question. If Mr. UK Sinha, SEBI chairman, is listening to this interview, the one thing that you would want to tell, keeping in mind that you want to go for a resolution, what is the way out?
My request to Mr. Sinha will be, he is sitting in such a position as I call it a big brother position for the country. And we are prajas. So my request will be that he should give me a chance to sit with him. I have requested him 3-4 times. And the resolution can take place within one sitting only. And beautifully, peacefully, justified way, judicially.
And you're open to keep all your account books for audit?
I can tell you one thing. It is, forget audit, to entire country, to you, to anybody and everybody in the country, in the world, Sahara is open book. Anybody can come and see anything they want, at any stage, at any time.
Okay.
But
Mr. Roy, finally, next 48 hours, you see a different scenario. What is that you would like to say finally after today's meeting? Do we see things changing for a settlement?
I hope so, but it's not in our hand. Had it been in our hand, I would have replied to your question, but I want to say at the last you said, at the last something else I want to say. We have paid SEBI 5,120 crores, is with them. We are supposed to pay all the expenses is in all account. We were there in the meeting for 50 minutes plus time. We are expecting a cup of tea. We did not get there.
Hopefully for that you'll have one more meeting at SEBI.
And next time after hearing this, SEBI will definitely offer me a cup of tea.